guys, welcome back for another video. Firstly, welcome back to the valley, Valle Mayo. Okay, so today we're going to be harvesting zucchini. If any of you know what that means, it means in English, courgette. I've got my trusty baskets. These are some of the baskets that me and my dad make together. Beautiful. So let's see how many we can actually fit in these baskets. Let's go to the garden. Come on guys, follow me. Here I'm already beginning to start seeing. I hope you can hear me guys, just because there is someone with a tractor. Get to France, you! Get off the track. Before I say any more, I have to do a massive shout out to my beloved niece, KK.
We have a great big fig.
Kayla Monster, Kayla. Kaylina. She has 4 names. You are amazing, beautiful, I love you. I cannot wait to see you when you come to Italy. A shout out to my sister too, Jason, and baby nephew Marco. Mwah.
And me.
Shout out to all the people who watch my videos. You're all amazing. I love you. I love you so much. Let's go and see what we can find.
Just.
So we've got, you want to get a few close-ups? Pappy!
Ah!
Oh, I just stabbed Dom. Oh god. This has to go in the video.
She stabbed me.
Well, it's a bit dark.
Oh yeah. Ah, there we go.
Papas! Papucho! Right. Number 1. Hello. I just gave birth to this one.
Sorry.
She weighs about 20 pounds. Che stai dicendo? What have we got here? Actually, the round zucchini I think I'll leave. Oh, we've got this one too. Number 2. Smaller, nice shape, slender, good curves. There's so many. Oh my god, how am I gonna get all these? I don't even know. Number 3. A little round one. Looks like a pumpkin, but it's not. What number are we on? 4? Number 4. She's a beauty. Number 5. Whoa, this one looks like a trombone. Spiders! Right, let's put these in the basket. These are beautiful zucchini. Right, let's go to the other zucchini patch. Guys, we have found the daddy, the king. Da da da! Look at the size of this one! Holy moly! Wait for this, wait for this. Well, I think this one weighs about 1 kilo. I don't know. She's a keeper. How many are we on now? About 5 or 6 I think. I think that's number 6. Then we've got, oh, another one, big one. Another big one. That's so big. That's huge. Oh my god. I've never seen such a big spoon. Another one. Do you know why I think we really liked it here? I think because my dad put some horse manure for some reason. So it went really well. Why is the dog barking? I don't know. She's a maniac, maniac. Who else gardens and sings, guys? I want to know. Please tell me. She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. Number 9. She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. What do you want to say to everyone? You're really quiet. It's getting ruined.
She's crazy. She's not a maniac.
This one's ruined. No. Oh, we got some. This one didn't survive. I don't know what's going on. It's really squidgy and it's got some sort of insects eating it. I don't know. That's okay. We'll give it to the animals and. Number 11. It's a baby one. Okay, 12, 13. I think that's us. Okay. Voila! We got round ones. We got long ones. We got medium ones and small ones. Not very small, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed cutting them. We will be making some videos to show you what we actually make with our zucchini. Stay tuned for them. We're going to be doing zoodle. We're going to be doing zucchini sottorio. It's got nice, it's lovely and slimy. Lovely and slimy. And lots of other delightful dishes that you can use. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Raw vegan pasta. What I'm gonna do is I'm already